What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. You see I'm in the garage and Khrome is behind me, so that means I got something for Khrome and I want to show y'all what it is. You know, I'm a big fan of Saddlemen seats. I have another seat for Khrome right here, y'all, and we're gonna put that boy on and I'm gonna show you what it look like right after this. What's up, y'all? Hey, y'all know I'm a big fan of Saddlemen seats. I've been rocking Saddlemen seat since my SDC seat that I had when I first purchased that seat right there. Put 25,000 miles on that seat and I've been a fan ever since. So hey, y'all, I got a seat for Khrome. Y'all know I got the roll sofa. I got my 2 step-ups over here, and y'all, I rock all of those seats right there. I rock every one of them. It's like a special occasion. Roll sofa, me and the wifey, you know, just riding around town. Then I got one when I go with the performance bagger guys, and I put that seat on as well, and that's my black seat over here in the corner over here. But now I got another seat, y'all. It's the Dominator seat. I'm gonna show you what it look like, y'all. Let's get it out the box here. Man, this is a great looking seat as well, man. And one thing I like about this seat, look at this. This is just the perfect seat if you want to ride 2-ups or you want to just have a solo seat. That's the reason I like this seat here. Man, this plastic is unreal. Come on, Saddlemen. Come on here. Ooh, look at this boy right here. Do y'all see this boy right here? That boy looks good. Got the Saddlemen on the side. And you know they always got the great carpet on the bottom. They got, oh man, the red stitching. It got where my backrest go right off in here. So yeah, we gonna get this boy on. I got a couple of things I gotta cut off. It's very easy to put on. So this is the seat. I'm gonna set this here. Oh my God, that look good on there already, y'all. And this is the passenger part right here. Oh my God, I'm fired up about this, y'all. I know y'all thought I was gonna stop doing content with Khrome. No, man, come on, man. Just because I got another bike. No, man, that ain't what it do. If I could have got the deal I wanted, hey, I might would have had a Harley, y'all, but sometimes it's good to switch up, man. This is the passenger backrest here. I mean, for the passenger, I'm saying backrest. This is for the passenger to sit on. I think I went with the sporty one too. So they actually got one that's a little wider if you ride 2-up all the time. I don't all the time, so my wife, oh, this is very comfortable too. And, oops, my bad. And I have the backrest. And I wanted this for the backrest with the solo seat. So let's check it out. You know, Saddlemen has been in my corner for the last few years, big time strong. And this is the backrest that I will be rocking right here. Looks really, really good. I'm gonna tell you one thing about Saddlemen, the stitching you can't beat. And I love this carbon fiber look. My Saddlemen SDC seat had that carbon fiber as well, and I really love that seat. Like I say, 25,000 miles on that seat alone. I mean, long trips, hours, 17, 18 hours on those Saddlemen seats, man. You can do it on Saddlemen. You get the right seat for you. And it comes with, this is the, I gotta put this on here as well. So we're gonna make sure we put this on here. So it's got the little, you got different levels on here. So we're gonna put this boy together. I'm gonna let you see what it looked like. And I got something else from Saddlemen. If you didn't know Saddlemen had these right here, you're probably wondering what it is. If you work on your own bike, me, I do a lot of work on my own bike. I also have a front wheel cover. This is the gas tank cover, y'all. Look at this boy. Let me get this out of here. It's got the nice, soft velvet right here on the bottom, kind of like a suede on the bottom. That's so it won't scratch up your tank. And this right here, I mean, you need to go check out the website. You can put your different tools in here so it won't be sliding all over the place on your tank. And it's got the Saddlemen logo on the side of it. Man, let's just put it on real quick. Oh my gosh, look at that. You need that if you wrench on your own bike. That is a very nice looking right there. But y'all, let me get the seat on real quick, and I'm gonna show you what it look like. And I think you're gonna like this seat. I know I am. Let's get it. All right. Hey, I wanted to come on here. You know, you seen the little plastic here. These are the little deals that goes on there, and so the other seat can go through there. So we got to put this on. You're gonna push this up. Let's put it on right quick. You gotta put it on, and that's gonna go like that. There we go. And we gotta put these screws. These are gonna be pretty tight trying to put up in here, but you can do it. Just match the seat up pretty good, and get that on there, and then we're gonna get both of them tightened down. Man, I love the way this seat look. If you're not rocking the Saddlemen, man, make sure I'm gonna put a link to the website, and you go check out Saddlemen seats. I think you'll definitely like it. And I know a lot of you are already rocking Saddlemen seats already. Hey y'all, all you gotta do is get your 5/8 wrench and tighten these up, and make sure they're good and tight. So yeah. Alrighty. I heard this was kind of hard to put on, but we're gonna see. I don't think it'll be too hard. It's not. It slid right on, y'all. Slid right on. But I gotta flip this around here, turn it around, and let me do that really quick. And when I get done, I have everything together. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. We got the seat on. You see how it looks. Let me go ahead and set this on the tank right quick. It's got a little pouch back here, so if your wife or somebody get on, you can put some in here. Even if you just want to put some back here, you know that it'll be safe when you get off the bike. It leans forward if you need it to lean forward as well. So yeah, and it's got a adjustment screw right here. So if you want to try to set it so it won't go back as far, it just depends on you. If you want to hear, and I got the extended reach seat as well. So I'm 6'3", so I got the oh yeah. And this boy is definitely comfortable, y'all. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get it on the road, man. It's definitely comfortable. And like I say, make sure you go check out Saddlemen website and get you one of these tank covers. You put your tools right up in here while you working on the bike. I gotta find out. Okay, different. I got a bunch of little things here, so I'm gonna look it up and see what all this is. Maybe if you put a big wrench on here, and it'll hold it for you. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it right here. Y'all stay tuned for more to come, y'all. I love the way that looks. So we finna rock this. This go with my canister. I mean, this red and black is just popping, y'all. Popping big time. Y'all look at that. Make sure you go check out my last video where I made my purchase of my brand new 2024 Honda Gold Wing, y'all. Man, the boy got power. I know some people ain't happy about it, but hey man, it is what it is. If I could have got a great deal somewhere else at Harley, hey, I might would have got me a Harley, but I wanted something different to bring to the channel. That's what I wanted, something very different to bring to the channel. That some people they look over that bike. You know, a lot of people looks over, they say it's an old man bike, but when I get through with it, I'm gonna sit just like that, and I'm gonna leave it right there, y'all. But make sure you go check out Saddlemen.com. And again, I want to thank my dude Buster for sending me this over. Hey, we got content coming on the Honda Gold Wing. And yeah, we're gonna definitely rock that Hunter Gold Wing 2 as well. But for right now, we're gonna rock this because we don't have all the pieces we need on that bike. But Khrome is ready to rock. But hey, y'all stay tuned because the next video, I finally got everything. This is all coming off. All the lowers coming off. I'm not using those speakers. No speakers is in there. Pulling the, I finally got my lights. HOGWORKZ, I got the lower chin spoiler. I got the bracket. I got my BadBoyz Cyclez guard that's gonna match this guard here. So yeah, we finna fix Khrome, straight performance bagger. Yeah, we pulling the lowers off, y'all. So y'all, that's gonna be it for this video right here. That's gonna be it. And again, thank you, Saddlemen, for the seat. And we definitely gonna rock it, and we're gonna support Saddlemen big time. Saddlemen been in my corner for the last 3 years. Thank you all. Thank y'all very much, man. And thanks for the new subscribers that come on. So make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend about the channel, and tell them we about to do it, man. We got rides coming up. May. Let me get this out the way. May, Black Wall Street. I think it's the 15th through the 17th. The following week after that, we be down there in New Orleans with my boy Just GQ. We're gonna be down there rocking. And we got my own ride, but it's in October. I think it's 24th, 26th. I'll give you more information on that. And I got merch too. So hit me in my email, kellybgliding@gmail.com. We got more hats coming in. We got more shirts coming in. So I was trying to get it all set up online, but I did it online, but for some reason they didn't send me my sample shirt. I don't know what's going on, but they definitely took my money. So I got to look into that and see what's going on. I wanted to show that shirt on the channel, so you'll see what you was getting online, because it was hoodies, cups, all kind of different shirts, all kind of different colors. So I was on Teespring. I don't know what Teespring doing and what they done did with my money, but we gonna have to get that fixed. So y'all stay tuned for the next ride and the next installation. That right there is coming off the bike, coming off, y'all. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all, we gonna keep rolling. Khrome ain't going nowhere. What? Khrome ain't going nowhere because I got a new bike. We out. Peace.